Hey y'all! Today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to install a shelf with drywall anchors. So that's that little plastic piece you see sometimes with a screw. And what it does is when it goes into the wall, it flares out and holds it when you don't have solid wood piece to drill into. What you'll need: hammer, tape measure, pencil, electric drill, and your drywall anchors and screws. First, my assistant here is building the other shelf with the brackets below. Okay, we've got our shelf built and we're going to put that aside for a second and measure where we need to put our anchors in.
Next, we're going to be measuring where we're drilling with our pencil and measuring tape.
So I've used my measuring tape to measure between here and here, which is where my 2 screws are going to need to be. I know that it is 16 7/16 of an inch, and I'm going to measure that out on my wall and mark it with a pencil. You're going to want to remove your driver from your drill, which probably looks a little bit like a screwdriver at the end. And you're going to want to look for drill bits. It's going to look, you're probably going to have a couple packs like these. You see from the pictures, they're intended for different walls, so wood, brick, and this is the guy that we're going to be using. And you're going to pick a size that's about the size of your anchor. If you're not sure, go a little bit smaller because you can always make it bigger. Now that you've got that drill bit securely in your drill, get after it. You should feel it push in because it's drywall, it's not very thick, and then once you do that, you pull right back out. Now this is where I get those anchors and my hammer and where I drilled those holes. You want the fatter part on the outside. Basically push it in all the way until it stops at that lip. We've switched back to the driver and we're going to put our screws in, but not all the way. This is where I do a check. Feels even and everything. If you screw this up, let's just say it's not even, you can take out and reuse the screw, but the anchor's kind of done for. So you'll need maybe a backup anchor and you can put in a new anchor somewhere else and reuse the screw. So if you mess it up or it's not even or whatever, that's what I would do and just leave that anchor where it is.